Hello everyone. Recipe for Thandai. Thandai is a traditional Indian drink, especially popular during the festival of Holi. It's a refreshing beverage made with a mixture of nuts, spices, and milk. Here's a simple recipe to make thandai at home. Ingredients: 1/4 cup almonds, 1/4 cup cashews, 1/4 cup pistachios, 2 tablespoons poppy seeds, that is khaskhas, 2 tablespoons melon seeds, that is magaj, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon whole black peppercorns, 5 to 6 green cardamom pods, half teaspoon saffron strands, that is optional, half cup sugar or to taste, 4 cups milk. You can use regular milk or almond milk for a vegan version. Rose water or kevra water, that is optional. Ice cubes, optional. Chopped nuts and dried rose petals for garnish, optional. Instructions. Number 1. Start by soaking almonds, cashews, pistachios, poppy seeds and melon seeds in water for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Drain the water afterwards. Number 2. Peel the skin of the almonds. Number 3. In a blender or food processor, add soaked and drained almonds, cashews, pistachios, poppy seeds, melon seeds, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, cardamom pods, and saffron strands. Blend them to make a fine paste. You can add a little milk to aid in blending. Number 4. In a large mixing bowl, pour the milk. Add sugar and mix until dissolved. Number 5. Strain the nut and spice paste through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into the milk. Press down on the solids to extract all the flavor. Number 6. Add a few drops of rose water or kevra water if using. Number 7. Chill the thandai mixture in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. Number 8. Before serving, give the thandai a good stir. You can adjust the consistency by adding more milk if it's too thick. Number 9. Serve thandai chilled over ice cubes if desired. Garnish with chopped nuts and dried rose petals for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade thandai, a perfect drink to celebrate the festival of colors, Holi. Thank you.